Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? How are you doing? Nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. I'm pleased to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm glad to see you. How do you do? Hi. Hey. What's up? How's it going? How have you been? What's new? What's going on? How are things? How are things? How's your day? How's your day going? Good to see you. Long time no see. It's been a while. It's been a long time. It's been such a long time. It's been too long. I'm so happy to see you again. Wow, it's so good to see you again. What have you been up to? I'm doing very well, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thank you. Great, thanks. How are you? Not bad. You? Couldn't be better. How about you? Wonderful, thank you. Goodbye. Bye. Bye for now. See you. See you soon. See you later. Talk to you later. Catch up with you later. I hope to see you soon. See you next time. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. It was nice meeting you. It's been really nice knowing you. It's been a pleasure. We'll speak soon. It was really great to see you. Catch you later. All the best. Bye. Take care. Stay in touch. I'm really going to miss you. I've got to go now. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm terribly sorry. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Sorry about that. Can you forgive me? I apologize for... Please forgive me. I owe you an apology. You can blame me for this. How should I apologize to you? I beg your pardon. Sorry, it's my fault. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Sorry I'm late. That's all right. Don't worry about it. Forget it. No problem. Never mind, it doesn't really matter. No big thing. It's not your fault. Please don't blame yourself. Think nothing of it.